that, Georgie, that you like, huh? We pulled that one out. Get that.
I don't think I've ever seen a dog eat leaves.
And just like yank them off of there. No. Oh, it's hardy.
George, since when did you become a leaf eater? Huh? Huh?
It is so good. It's a big spud. Oh, yeah. Pull that off of there.
You silly dog. You silly dog.
Oh. Well, this is a favorite little loop here, huh? Oh, yeah.
George.
Do you think it's sore, or what is it?
Oak leaves.